Plan B, guys. Let's see if we can get some type of reaction. We didn't get no police officer, but we got the community gang stalking. You saw me go outside. They fell for it. There we go. 9:27 a.m. Thursday, January 15th, 2026. State insurance policy fraud, identity theft, Medicaid. No witnesses. We got them. Military grade technology. Very aware of my location and activities. Instructions given on command signal. See that? There you go. We got them. Community gang stalking. Community gang stalking.